It is moving day at the Buck Ranch. Moving day!
Moving on up!
And we got this old patina Carmen gear that Roby and I are working on. Trying to get this rolling out the door as we turn down the shop here. Tank here is being put together for the Carmen gear as well, right?
Rob Jr.
By Rob Jr. Our experimental engine stand will be going. It was very important to Jason that the MT665 be packed up and moved to a secondary storage location until that happens.
My living room.
His living room.
Ease it down, ease it down, ease it down, ease it down. Come on down, come on down. Come on down. Keep coming, keep coming. Looking good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Oh, looks like a car. That's it.
And I helped build it.
Who was at my house for the last one? Just me and you.
I saw it on video.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
Jordan, pick up your nuts.
And no, that's not a statue, that's Roby.
Yeah.
On the world's slowest lift. Lower it, Roby.
Well, this thing needs raised. My back hurts.
Well, that's it. It's all packed up. Hopefully next time we see this, it'll be in the new shop.
Got all four sides of it. There was no...
I look fat when I do selfies because I have to like...
We'll see, I got so much hair, man.
Can I borrow some of that hair?
Of course.
I think personally these wheels really match the paint job. Ain't much left in the shop at this point. It's almost empty. It's like, remember when, before there was a sign or anything? You see this captured the event. This is what makes memories, man.
This is what I've been doing. It used to look like this. I cleaned all this up. Daniel got his pole saw.
Should we take that logo off the building?
We are. We're going to take it to our sign shop and have him put Jason's Bug Ranch, the white.
On the BST logo?
Yeah. And then we'll put it back up.
Or we could call it like Beetle Strategic Technologies, a division of Jason's Bug Ranch. I'm told that this is a smoke machine. So hey Jordan, here you go, here's your smoke machine. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to figure this one out.
And there's the old Starlight Drive-In Theater sign.
What? What do you want me to do, stick my tongue on it?
Hey, what the you go to school for?
You can't say I'm recording. You have some easy listening. For those who like La Bouche.
John Mellencamp, there's ACDC.
What's the J rule?
I don't know, jelly roll?
I don't know. To get this thing to kick over. What I'm trying to say is we're ready to drive this car out of here.
So you're going to drive this car out of here?
So basically what I'm trying to say is this car.
Is it ready to drive?
It's ready. We're ready to drive this car out of here. Yeah.
I like it.
There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Very nice. Very nice.
Beautiful.
Hell yeah. And we started another morning at the Country House Diner. All of us here.
Almost all of us.
Almost all of us.
Little bit.
No, you can't. We'll have this car ready to run by late this afternoon, I think. We got rolling chassis. We have almost complete frame. We got transmission. Sully is the person who makes my editing twice as long.
Where were we yesterday?
Oh my god! Would you stop?
So the Gia has arrived here under its own power and has been clear coated. Look at this. This entire car is clear coated. Look at that shine.
They're all dirty. Is this ladder metal?
Uh-oh. Good morning. I got no idea how I got stuck with the short straw having to hold the ladder for Jason over here. I should have kept my mouth shut. Now I've been recruited. Way up here.
Come down. Get on the truck. Lower the forks.
Yeah.
Woo! Lordy.
Nice. All right. So lift it up a little. Good enough. All right. Good.
Mary? Yes. And I just want
Sully would say that home is where you hang your acetylene torch.
Yes.
And I agree with him.
Yes.
And now that the table and barbecue has been moved.
I'm getting hungry.
Yeah, me too. And the first specialized air-cooled project to roll out of this new shop will be this 76 Java. This is the end, Jason. These are the final shots.
That's the beginning.
No, I mean, this is the end of this joint.
Served us well.
A lot of good memories.
Some good food.
And some good, best restaurant in Winter Garden, right? Wow. Empty. This is eerie, isn't it? And for like copyright violations, this would be where I would play like a sad YouTube song. You know, like whatever songs you would play in this moment. And with this last action, we officially closed down the old shop. With that, it was done. Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.